Hi everyone, today we are going to see sanitation in food plant. Introduction. The sanitation and food industry is concerned with aseptic practice in the preparation, processing and packaging of the food products of a plant, the general cleanliness and sanitation of plant and also the health of employees. Some of key steps in plant sanitation are the drinking water that employees use for drinking should meet the bacteriological standards. To test the standards, the latest edition of method should be used. Coliform bacteria must not be present at levels indicated by standards. All water that comes into contact with foods should meet the bacteriological standards for drinking water. Sometimes using of potable water is unsatisfactory to produce a specific product. For example, water containing appreciable number of psychotrophs like Pseudomonas or alkali genes may lead to spoilage of butter or cottage cheese when making them by using this water. The chemical composition of water used for specific product is important. For example, the hard water is undesirable in making tea canning and beer making. If the water is reused, it should be treated with some chemicals such as chlorine, chlorine dioxide, or a similar germicides before reuse. Ice used in contact with food should meet the bacteriological requirements for potable water. Bactericidal or fungistatic compounds such as antibiotics may be added to produce ice. Solid waste should be kept separately from the watery waste and may be used directly for food, feed, fertilizer or other purposes. The sewage of human origin should be separated from other waste because of the possible presence of human intestinal pathogens. It is important to check the BOD, that is biological oxygen demand, COD, that is chemical oxygen demand, TDS, that is total dissolved solid, TSS, which is nothing but total suspended solid, heavy metals, organic compounds, grease, etc. before discharging the wastewater into surface water bodies. If the levels are too high than the standards, it must be treated with chemical or biological treatment methods. In chemical treatment of wastewater, some chemical or mixture of chemical may be used to flocculate the precipitate of solid particles. The chemical commonly used ferrous sulfate and ferric hydroxide. Biological treatments used for wastewater are dilution, irrigation, lagooning, use of trickling filter, activated sludge method, and anaerobic tank. Thank you.